Welcome back to the Maintenance Man channel. Thank you for joining me. Tonight we're going to do a rundown of the Skil versus the Hercules. This will be my next Saturday tool test. $100 kits. The Hercules for a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and the impact was $103. Skil is $99.99 plus tax. Puts you in the same thing. Comes with 2 amp hour battery and a charger. I'm going to go over a few differences. I will point out right now that apparently one of my subscribers or just commenters pointed out Skil has come out with a ring light 20 volt version of this impact, which is nice. I believe the power is the same. It's just they changed that feature. So it's a little nice upgrade. This has the tri-beam, which is my favorite kind, and you guys saw this take down the Rigid last week in one of the most exciting tool battles I've ever seen. You know, squeaked by the wind, but it did it. Great budget DIY, or if you're just starting out in maintenance or something, might be a good pickup for you. Hercules line is expanding, and the Skil line, it's not big, but it has the basics, and I like the prices of them, and I like the feel of them. So let's go over a few things here. We're going to start off with the size of the two. The Hercules is 4.5 inches. The Skil is bigger, coming in at about 6. And the Hercules, 4 inches, 4.5, that is correct. The body of this is 5, so it's about 5.5. So inch difference in size. See the back, the Skil is a little bit bigger. If you go to the handles, the Skil has a little bit thicker at the base, which I like, because as you guys know in the Doo-Wox video, it cracked at the base when it dropped, so that would be a concern of mine on the Hercules. But it could be constructed better. I don't know. I just find that to be a weak point. I do like the head on the Skil. You know, you got your security screws here, but that is a little bit older fashioned. This seems more zipped up, buttoned together. We got security bits all throughout. On the back, you have them on the back of the Skil on the sides here. As UL listed. And this is not. And I will bring out real quick, the chargers are both UL listed, if that's a concern of yours. You put the Hercules battery on, and the battery itself has some nice cooling technology features apparently, but goes on, even though it's charged, there's no fan or anything. Now the Skil is a jump pack quick charger, has a nice fan to dissipate that heat, and that battery's almost dead. Now you can hit the jump button wherever that is, and within 5 minutes it'll give you 25% battery life. But that's a nice feature. Take the battery off, fan turns off, really dissipates the heat. I'll shove that back on after the video. Both 2 amp hour batteries, here you go, size difference. Battery indicator lights, Hercules does not stay on. the skill, when you press it, it does come on. Also, a nice feature with the skill is you have the built-in USB to the battery, so you can just charge your phone or whatever right off the battery. Nothing, just nice feature. Getting back to the impacts, they're both 3-speed. Well, actually, the skill is 2-speed, low, high, and then auto. And the Hercules is 3-speed, and it has an auto feature. So different modes, but still, again, budget friendly. The height difference with the batteries, I don't know if you can see it, but the skill just comes out a little bit taller. Let's go from the back angle here. So you got that. They both stand upright. Let's check out the chuckage. We got no quick load on the skill, so not one-handed. You do have a quick load on the Hercules. Then you can pull it out like that. It's one-handed changing, and these are what's going to go up against each other and compete. So hopefully that's a nice rundown. Check out for the live video Saturday. I think it should be a fun time, and I'll see you guys all there. Thanks for watching.